If you've been using the GitHub Copilot app for a while, you're probably used to seeing some cool things like that on the homepage. But I really wanted to focus on is some of the changes that we've added inside the Copilot app. For example, you used to be able to get to your MCP servers, your skills, everything here in settings. But now there's this customized settings that actually bring you to what's available here on the left side to customize for adding MCP servers, your plugins, agent skills, extensions, canvases. And what I love about this is the extra goodness that you get integrated into the GitHub Copilot app via marketplaces. So if you were interested in what's available on the marketplaces, you could come here and see what we have for all of them. So by default, we have an awesome Copilot marketplace as well as Copilot plugins that are already installed by default. These are some extra marketplaces I added for work that I do within my GitHub work that I do, as well as my personal work. And everything is available here. I want to focus on this awesome Copilot because I built a plugin that's a part of this open source and installed by default in the GitHub Copilot app. So if we go here to skills, we can see, actually, let me go to plugins. If we go to plugins and I was to go to skills builder, you can see I don't have it installed right now. I actually checked it off. I have it installed, but I don't have it updated and I have it turned off for now. And that means is if I go to skills here, you see that they're not available. The plugin is turned off. And if I go to chat, you're also in this interactive, you can do interactive plan autopilot. You have models that you can choose. You can choose different context windows and reasoning. And that's all you have available. But if we're to enable the plugin, the GitHub Skills Builder plugin, which allows you to generate GitHub skills, it's something cool that gets added to this as an example. So if I go back and now I want to turn on that skills builder, I can check that box. And if I go to skills again up here, I can see what skills are available and it tells you what plugin it's coming from. And here we have some agent skills that allow us to create an outline, Bootstrap a skills exercise with all of our exercise templates and reusable workflows, as well as reviewing that exercise and eventually publishing it. And these are some nice helpers that are useful when you're building your first GitHub Skills exercise, or as I use it all the time when I'm building a GitHub Skills exercise. But what's great about it is for new people that are not used to building a GitHub Skills exercise, it really jumpstarts your work for you. And now if we go back to chat, we can see that instead of just we have default agent, which is the default one that you have, and now it is listed there because we have these additional custom agents that are part of that plugin for the GH Skills Builder. So then we can architect an outline, we can build the exercise, we can review it for quality and make sure it is the reusable workflows and the checks match up with the steps, as well as publishing that. So it shows you what's possible in building your own plugins, your own agent skills, your own custom agents. I use it to build something that's useful for me and for others on our team, as well as people in the open source community for building their own GitHub skills.